Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to show you why is your Google Maps application not working. So, there are a lot of issues that make your Google Maps not working, and at first restart your device before this whole process, and because this can resolve temporary glitches. Then check internet connection, ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then disable VPN. If you're using VPN, turn it on properly, and it might interfere because it might interfere with maps. Now, enable location services and make sure they are turned on, because if they are turned off, your Google Maps can work improperly. Apart from that, you can update the application. You have to enter Google Play Store or App Store, and to update your application on Google App Store, on Apple App Store, it's rarely used to update applications. It's because most users just have the automatic updates, but if some error occurred, you enter the App Store and check if you have some updates. Apart from that, clear cache and data of your application, disable battery saver. It's because battery saving modes can restrict the background data. Of course, it depends on what phone we are talking about, mostly Android devices. And allow background data usage for the maps, and it's mostly for the iPhone. And recalibrate the location. It's because you might have uncalibrated location, and it can make your Google Maps lagging and not working. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.